Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Tiger, elephant, lion, leopard. The correct answer is lion. Which country gifted the Mona Lisa painting to the Louvre Museum? Italy, Spain, France, Belgium. The correct answer is France. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul, Busan, Incheon, Daegu. The correct answer is Seoul. Which natural disaster is measured using the Richter scale? Tornado, earthquake, hurricane, tsunami. The correct answer is earthquake. Who wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey? Virgil, Homer, Plato, Sophocles. The correct answer is Homer. Which European country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? Finland, Sweden, Norway, Denmark. The correct answer is Finland. Who was the first man to orbit the Earth? Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, John Glenn, Valentina Tereshkova. The correct answer is Yuri Gagarin. Which famous scientist is known as the father of modern chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier, Robert Boyle, Dmitri Mendeleev, Michael Faraday. The correct answer is Antoine Lavoisier. What is the world's deepest ocean trench? Puerto Rico Trench, Mariana Trench, Tonga Trench, Java Trench. The correct answer is Mariana Trench. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1985, 1987, 1989, 1991. The correct answer is 1989. Which organ pumps blood through the human body? Brain, heart, lungs, kidney. The correct answer is heart. What is the currency of Switzerland? Euro, franc, pound, dollar. The correct answer is franc. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Elliptical, spiral, irregular, lenticular. The correct answer is spiral. Which empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? Ottoman Empire, Mongol Empire, Roman Empire, Byzantine Empire. The correct answer is Mongol Empire. Which ancient civilization invented cuneiform writing? Sumerians, Egyptians, Persians, Phoenicians. The correct answer is Sumerians.